slides like these for your business presentations or school projects. Ever felt frustrated when your audience falls asleep while you present? Then this video is just right for you because I'll show you a few secret tips and tricks to improve your presentation. And I'm sure 99% of you will be like this guy after you're done watching my tutorial. And this is a sneak peek of the finalized project that you'll create after using all my tips that I show you in this video. So stay tuned for the rest of this tutorial. Alright, so this is the slide that we are going to be redesigning today using my tips that I'm going to share with you today. So let's start. So to give you an idea of the slide we'll be creating today, here is the final slide design that we'll be creating. Alright, so this is the slide that we're going to be working on today. I've already changed the background color of the slide to black to match with our theme. And talking about color themes, my first tip is to always refer your color scheme from a color palette, as it helps with the cohesion aspect of your presentation. So since we're doing a technology presentation, I think some cool colors like blue, white and black will work best. So now we can start inputting our information onto our slide. And another tip for inputting the information is to always structure it by bullet points and separate it into chunks of information just like this, and to put them each in a different rectangle of their own to make it more tidy, and it also helps with the clarity of your information. As you can see, I've done it here, and you can see a big difference between this and this. And the next tip I have for you is to add icons, because they add a visual element to your text and again help with clarity to your audience. So how do you add an icon? So first of all, head over to this Insert tab and then click on Icons. Give it a few seconds to load up, and then from here you can choose through many icons from PowerPoint's pre-made icon gallery. Sticking with our theme here, I will add a VR headset icon. So I'll just type it in the search bar here, and then I will select my icon. And I also want a gaming console, so I'll head over to this search bar once again and search for a gaming icon or a console. And then you can select it. And I also want that picture with a human, so I'll just type idea, and I think this picture will work. And then once you're done selecting all the icons that you like, just hit this insert button, and it will insert all of your icons onto your page. At the moment you can't see your icons, so just head over this graphics fill and change it to white. I'll move this aside so you can see what our icons are. And then we can start putting these icons to their corresponding text. Alright, so this is our icons all in place with our text. And now we can finally go on to our headline and our subtitle. So in order to add our title to this slide, I'll once again head over this Insert tab, and under the Shapes menu, I'll select the text box option and drag out a text box. From here, I will type my topic, that is virtual reality. Okay. So you can't see the text since it's black. So I'll go to this text color option and click this downwards arrow and select the same color of these rectangles. So as you can see, I don't have that color default, so I'll just click on this eyedropper tool and select that color. So just click on the color you want, just like so, and then as you can see, our text is the same color as this. And I also want to change the font, so I'll just head over the fonts category, and then I will change my font to this, and I'll increase the size. Okay. And then I will also decrease the line space between these two texts. So in order to do that, in the paragraph section, click on the line spacing option, click on line spacing options, and then here in the spacing category, change the line spacing to multiple and set it to 0.8. Click OK. And then as you can see, our line space has decreased. And another tip is to make your headlines bold to make it stand out from the rest of your body text. Moving on, I will add my subtitle from my slide or original slide and place it under there, and I'll also change the font to this, and I'll bold it as well, just so you can see it better. Okay, and now we can add a picture to our background to make it more interesting. So in order to insert a picture, just head over to the Insert tab, and under Pictures in the Images section, just select the option you want, either from your device or from PowerPoint's online picture gallery. So for me, I have it downloaded on my computer, so I'll just click this option here. Okay, so that's my picture, and as you can see, it's covering our slide here. So I'll send it backward until it's in the very back, and I'll move it down so it fits our slide, just like so. And adding a picture or some element adds interest to your slide and your background to make it more interesting and engaging. And that is also our second to last tip. And my final tip is to add animations to your presentations to make it more fun, engaging, and interesting to your audience. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, consider dropping a like and also hitting the subscribe button so that I can keep creating more videos just like this. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.